The PolySync 20 is an all-in-one portable speakerphone charger and high-performance music speaker to get in the groove while getting more done. Included in the box with the PolySync 20 will be the travel case, quick start guide, lanyard, and BT600 a Bluetooth adapter. Charge the speakerphone via USB using your computer or a USB AC adapter not provided. Allow 4 hours for a full charge. Your speakerphone can also be used to charge your smartphone. With the speakerphone powered on, connect your smartphone's charge cable to the USB-A port. Ensure your speakerphone's battery level is medium or higher. The USB port is only used to provide power to your smartphone. For smartphone setup, power on your speakerphone and press the Bluetooth button for 2 seconds. You'll hear pairing and the LED flashes a crossing blue pattern. Activate Bluetooth on your smartphone and set it to search new devices. Select PolySync 20. Pairing is successful when you hear pairing successful and the LED flashes blue. For recorded computer setup, connect the USB cable from your speakerphone to the USB port on your computer. For a wireless setup of your PolySync 20 Plus, power on your speakerphone and insert the Bluetooth USB adapter into your computer. Connection is successful when you hear PC connected and the light on the USB adapter turns solid blue. Then download PolyHub for Windows or Mac by visiting support.hp.com/s-n/poly. This allows you to customize your device through advanced settings and options. The lanyard slot is located on the side of the speakerphone. Insert the loop through one side of the slot and push through to the other side. Thread the lanyard through the loop and pull to secure. Use the lanyard to carry the speakerphone on your wrist. To answer an incoming call or end a call, press the call button on the speakerphone. To adjust the volume or mute the call, use the buttons. The LED light bar allows you to see your call status from a distance. Flashing green indicates an incoming call. Solid green indicates you are on a call. Solid red indicates your call is muted. The LEDs do not illuminate in standby mode. The rocket button by default allows you to play or pause music from your smartphone. Using PolyHub, this button can also be customized to one of the following other functions: device status check, clear trusted device list, smartphone voice assistant, smartphone redial, or hold/resume call. For the Microsoft Teams version, as indicated by the Teams button, the LED shows the following Microsoft Teams related features. Solid purple indicates connected to Microsoft Teams. Flashing purple for 10 seconds then off indicates the speakerphone was unsuccessful in connecting to Microsoft Teams. Please make sure the Microsoft Teams desktop application is running. Pulsing purple indicates there is a Microsoft Teams event notification, such as missed IM message or a voicemail. Press the Teams button to bring the Teams application to the front of the screen for easy viewing of the notification. You are now ready to enjoy your PolySync 20 speakerphone.